being here. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here to my channel, welcome. Or if you've been, welcome as well. Hey, I am doing a scary look. I know Halloween's around the corner. I've never done any look like this before. But, you know, I just came across a video and then I remember watching the movie and I was like, oh my gosh, I wonder if I can do that. So I went and go ahead and bought the stuff and I'm just ready to get my hands on it. So I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you guys like it. Hopefully. This is the look. Valak, the nun from The Conjuring 2. Look how scary that looks, guys. Oh my gosh, there we go. I see that thing standing up at night and I'll just close my eyes and pray. This is pretty scary. So I've never tried anything like this, so I hope that I can pull it off. And if you like to create this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so with these spatulas, we're going to apply cosmetic wax. And I'm actually going to apply a little bit to my actual eyebrows because I'm going to be molding two pieces for my eyebrow area to create this look. So I just want to make sure that my eyebrows are protected. Now I'm going to use this moisturizer, and you can use any moisturizer, but you need a moisturizer in order to be able to handle the wax. Otherwise, it will get really sticky. As you continue to handle the wax, make sure you add more moisturizer. If not, it'll start to feel sticky and you don't want that. I'm going to use some translucent powder and I'm going to apply that all over the wax with a beauty blender or with a brush, whichever works better. And I'm going to use or apply liquid latex on top of the wax. And now I am going to apply a small thin piece of Kleenex tissue. To speed up the process, I'm going to use a blow dryer to allow this to dry. Now for Makeup Forever, I'm going to be using color cream and white, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. I'm going to be using a color cream stick in black to make the illusion of wrinkles on top of the forehead. going to be doing the same thing to my nose and on the side of my nose. And I'm just going to blend this out. And I'm just going to apply more of the translucent powder all over the face. Now I'm just going to create some lines on my cheekbone to give it the look that I want. Now I'm going to add some of the black eyeshadow from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. And with my fingers, I'm just going to blend that out. And with the same color cream stick in black, I'm going to apply it in my eyes area and in my lips. And with the tip of my fingers, I'm going to blend the edges out. The same black eyeshadow, I'm going to apply some on my eyes and also on my lips. And also I'll be applying some of that black eyeshadow in the forehead area and on my chin. I'm going to splatter some of the black all over the face. This is the look, guys. What do you think? I want to know all about your comments, your thoughts. Just comment down below and like the video. And I mean, I think I did pretty good to do this for the first time. It's not bad at all. I mean, now teeth I couldn't buy because of course braces, but I think this is scarier too. Wow. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but don't hesitate if you have any questions regarding this look, and I really hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Bye. Oh my gosh, I really want to scratch it, and it's like right there in the inside, but it's gonna look like I'm picking my boogers. This is pretty scary.